Hello. If you bought an eSIM from your mobile carrier and then discovered, to your disappointment, that your Samsung Galaxy A17 5 grams does not support eSIM, don't rush to return the SIM or buy a new smartphone. There is actually a solution that many people don't know about. The best part is that it can even work on models where there is no Add eSIM option. In the settings, you can turn your phone's regular SIM card slot into one that supports multiple eSIM profiles by using a special SIM card with a built-in eSIM chip. So, what do you need? A special eSIM adapter SIM card. It looks just like a regular physical SIM card, but inside it contains a programmable chip. This chip allows you to store multiple eSIM profiles and switch between them without replacing the SIM card itself. The first step is to purchase one of these SIM cards. The most popular options today are eSIM.me and 5Beer. Be sure to buy only from official sellers or trusted stores to avoid counterfeit products. When the SIM card arrives, turn off your phone and remove your regular SIM card. Then insert the new eSIM adapter SIM card into your phone's SIM slot and power the device back on. Once the phone is started, open Google Play and install the official app provided by the manufacturer of your SIM card. This app is used for the entire setup process. After launching it, the app will automatically detect the installed SIM card and prompt you to add your first eSIM profile. Next, take the QR code you received from your mobile carrier. In the app, choose the option to add a new profile and scan the QR code with your phone's camera. Within a few seconds, the eSIM profile will be downloaded directly to the memory of the SIM card. When the installation is complete, the app will ask you to activate the new profile. Confirm the activation and wait for your phone to register on your carrier's network. If everything is successful, you will see a signal indicator on the screen, and your phone will be able to make calls, send text messages, and use mobile data.